Hello, Evian. So right now I stay in front of the very old or very ancient deep well here. Yes, no someone use it, just abandoned for a long time, and it still dips and it's still water because it's so deep. And here you can see water here. So today I have the new idea that I set up new projects with a free energy water pump. I just use with the blue method drum. That this project we call free energy water pump, but and I use with a 34mm pipe connect between pipe to pipe. I use the clue, make sure no linking. And otherwise I use wire check here. Yeah, we call wire check. This one we call the input pipe. Wire check for filling water, and this one for out the air when shooting we fill water to this main drum. This main drum I use the method drum like this. You can see the method drum. It's very solid, not easy to deform. If you use the plastic plastic drum, it's easy to do form. It's easy to deform because it's not solid, right? If the main drum is deformed, it was deformed, our project cannot successfully fail. And right now you can see here, this main drum it can make a pressure to suck, make pressure and to suck the water through by this input pipe, right? From the very deep well here. Okay. Right now I start to close it before I go to open the end of our pipe. Okay, close properly. Make sure no linking in this main drum because it can make a pressure to suck the water from deep well, right? And this one called the air pressure for stop the air when it come back from the end of the pipe. Make sure it cannot go into this main drum, right? Okay, let's go to see with me how that work. Okay, here that you can see from this one we call the output pipe. Then I use with the 60mm pipe, millimeter size, and the end of the output pipe I use with the 34mm size. Same size to the input pipe, schooling here, the same size. If the input pipe bigger than or output pipe bigger than, mean that our project cannot succeed. The main drum cannot make a pressure to suck water from the deep well. Okay, how does it work? I will start to open it. So wow, you can see like this, right? And for the first time, it's strong like this. If we use it around 20 minutes later, it will weaker and weaker, right? Okay, if you don't need it, you can close like this, right? This wire check is very important. That we can close and open when we need water. We can close. We don't need water. We can close. If we don't need only water, we can. If we need only water or more water, we can open it, right? Because this project we don't use the electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water. So no switch on and switch out. Okay, like this, okay, like this, and close. So you can see